Let's talk deodorant. Is aluminum antiperspirant safe or not safe? Most sources will say it's completely fine to use, totally safe. But if you actually read the articles of those sources, most of them say that the evidence is actually not conclusive. The thing is, scientists don't actually agree. So let's look at the research. One of the major claims is that aluminum antiperspirant can lead to breast cancer. In 2008, there was a group research study done in depth to study the methodology, claims, and procedures of 19 different articles about breast cancer and aluminum antiperspirants. They found that none of the literature supported a valid hypothesis of antiperspirants with aluminum causing breast cancer. However, a study in 2016 established that long-term exposure to concentrations of aluminum that was already measured in human breast tissue enables cells to form tumors in well-established cancer mouse models. These findings indicated that aluminum salts in antiperspirants could be environmental breast carcinogens. And another study in 2017 claimed to find supporting evidence that women who used antiperspirants with aluminum had a significant risk of developing breast cancer, especially the women who used the product multiple times a day before the age of 30. So does it cause breast cancer? Well, the science is kind of still out on that one. It kind of looks like we jumped the gun a couple years ago saying that it doesn't cause breast cancer at all, and now studies are coming out to say maybe it does. So we don't actually know. There's also claims that aluminum causes neurological disorders, and I couldn't find a whole lot on neurological disorders prenatal, which was one of the claims. Couldn't find a whole lot of research on it, but I did find a couple interesting patterns. So the presence of aluminum in the brain was actually higher for people with Alzheimer's and people in the autism spectrum disorder. Scientists really aren't sure if the aluminum is a cause or a symptom of both of these disorders. I choose to limit my exposure until we actually know something conclusively. But again, take this with a grain of salt. None of this means that any of this is exactly conclusive. We actually don't know.